Today's top news headlines. Center blocks 35 Pakistan best YouTube channels. Manipur celebrates 50th Statehood Day 2022. And migratory bird head count conducted in Infal. Hello, this is Pony TV giving you the latest English bulletin at 7 p.m. I'm CHRISTINA and now the news in detail. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting on Friday said it has issued directions to block 35 YouTube channels, 2 Instagram accounts, 2 Twitter accounts, 2 websites, and a Facebook account for allegedly spreading fake and anti-Indian content, a media report said. Briefing the media, INB Ministry Joint Secretary PNA Vikram Sahe said these accounts, websites, channels were being operated from Pakistan and the YouTube channels had a total subscriber base of 1.20 crore. He also said that the videos uploaded on this platform has viewership of over 130 crore yesterday on 20 January based on fresh intelligence inputs which the ministry received. Directions were issued for blocking 35 YouTube channels, 2 Twitter accounts, 2 Instagram accounts, 2 websites, and a Facebook account, Sahe said, adding that the fake and anti-India contents being uploaded there included subjects such as Indian Armed Forces, Jammu and Kashmir, India's foreign relations, the demise of CDS, General Bipin Rawat, separatist in ideas and notion and public order. The Manipur government celebrated the 50th Manipur Statehood Day on Friday at 1st Battalion Manipur Rifles Parade Ground in Infal. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attended the function. Addressing the function, CM Biren expressed unhappiness over inability to celebrate Manipur's Statehood Day in a bigger way like before, owing the COVID disturbances. He stated that it is a remarkable day of Manipur. On this fortunate day, Manipur attained full statehood because of the hard work of the people of the state. Biren proudly said that Manipur is not a weak state, now comparing to bigger states of India.
DTS CID Tactical Bomb Squad led by SIM Dakshin Singh is marching in front of us. And combined
Pigabani Haiba Dugumgio, Tabuktu, Yamna Mapung Pana Dugumba, Executive Engineer Sina Tauramba Singi Taren Amaga Angam Akut Taren Marak to the Mana Tauram Portu Ubudagi Koi, Nungaiman Kidana Maduda, the Mituda, Loina, Yum Kudima Loina, take water from the Biogre as Madugi. Kamzongi Huziki Haibiga. But the Nungai Mandana Magi award Tamaka Ekoi Ikai Kumaba Uchi the Matok the Puling Changba Matok the Katok Padugumba officers sing Equine recognition to them to A Haidana Kalakan Ekoi 15 August ki the PC Raina to Bunia the Masaquina Kanarga S minor statehood day. State Kyo Badugumba officers singi honor to Tangai for the Basi. Statehood Day si dai tawrasi haina tawranga si pijabani once again ekoi government sina makhata na dum mathau da puning changba praja gi damta kathoga thabuk tawba quality mental tawba matam ngakpa mathau masak khangba officer sing regularly ekoi ikai khumna ba utpasi Statehood Day Pangthok Pokudingi Koi Togani Haidana Madumagai Miam the Tajab Tamjage
Manipur State Council CPI observed 50th Statehood Day at Irawat Bhawan in Imphal on Friday. Speaking at the event, Communist Party of India CPI Manipur State Unit Secretary L. Sotin Kumar expressed dissatisfaction over the centre's failure to grant appropriate status to the state of Manipur, which has a 2,000-year-old recorded history. He said it's time for the government of India to implement the agreement. He further stated that though Manipur, once a princely state, got its statehood, the state exists at the whim of government of India.
Sahi lising ani itihas ni jab maning makha tab na panjar state abada ngase koi state pide haraga so pide chap chaba koi gi state ta sama Manipuri singbu patam de inagi ba merger agreement madu wasi di chap char thabuk to thokam thoi Manipur gi thabuk phangdriban harol singbu thabuk pina na bagi Taita, madu pigani haibagi wasan merger agreement yawi madu kanai pangtho bergasi Manipur de thabuk phangdab na harol lakni pan mathakta Lady Basenasi Center na kaso kusina de lawyer na ngasi de koi state se statehood phangi haib du wai koi state sigi yam na pung pha na koi semjab ain kanun kaya na lepak sarai bu mandri center na bharo legana mahana pijer ga chaba pijer ga tokpa maha ki apang ba ani ba kaya gi makada koi bharo center gi makada kendra shakti pai ba sarkar adu gi makada maha ani matu gi matungina
Wildlife Explorer Manipur, in collaboration with Central Forest Division of Manipur Forest Department, conducted a migratory bird head count at Lamphel and Yaralpat areas in Imphal on Friday. District Forest Officer R.K. Amarjit was part of the exercise. Wildlife Explorer Manipur President K.H. Brazes highlighted on the need to protect different species of birds from various parts of the world visiting Manipur, saying these birds are important to the tourism sector. He said many migratory birds such as eastern spot bilduck, red-crested pochard, gray-legged goose, and beard pochard were found during today's aquatic bird head count exercise at Lamphel and Yaralpat areas. He called on everyone to refrain from hunting and poaching of migratory birds and emphasized on the need to protect them. Enraged postgraduate student of the Manjuri College of Arts set a block of the college protesting against failure of the authority to conduct classes. Speaking to the media, PZ Association's Games and Sports Secretary Haisna Momocha said, since the beginning of January, the students have not been able to attain a single class despite repeated requests. When queried, it came to light that a conflict between teachers and the college authorities was the key reason for failing to start classes, he said. This disagreement has created a serious problem for the students, Momocha wrote. The exam dates of PZ has already been settled without conducting any classes, he said, and appealed to the college authority to sort out the issue without delay.
Asi PG gi third semester gi satra khaisina horiba iho asi maram asi khogi class to bidavana maram oirakani class to raktab se January tha hek hawalakpadagi PG third semester hana dagi chatharaga lakpa mamang chahi dagi dum November tha dagi section horaga lakpa adu January tha dagi di class set mapung phana to bigi daba to diba maram se khoina sum thigalu ba matamda date 27 da VC authority gi site gi notice ama thokibuduna maram oiraga oja sing ama sung authority ga yananda baduna maram oraga satra khoibu victimize oihale haraba matungda January thaje thalo silakadore exam gi matam su lepkhre pekhadi February tha last week ta pekha torani haiduna leptuna thongjin thinlura leikre aduga hoji phongna January tha lorakadura si phobada akhoi sina class to vida leire asigi nuainadri ba asi athubada losinbio aduduga PG third semester gi class to dana leiriba se athuba matamda tohanbio hasinse.
Manipur on Friday witnessed a steep rise in COVID-19 infections. In the last 24 hours, 578 fresh cases were registered and 2 fatalities, according to the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room. The positivity rate was recorded at 19.3%. The state's coronavirus tally has spiked to 1,29,257, while the death toll has climbed to 2,019. In a release, the state COVID-19 command control room also said the new infections were detected after testing 2,988 samples in the last 24 hours. It said 65 people were discharged in the same hours. A 7-day-long State Handloom Expo 2021 to 2022 organized by Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicraft Artisans Pauna Bazaar under National Handloom Development Program drew to a close on Friday at public ground in Imphal. Indian Handloom Brand 7 National Awardee Uri Kimbam Baladevi of Imphal East Weavers Service Center, Porompa Deputy Director HK Batu Manipur Public Library, Custodian K. Chau Basing President of Manipur, Apex HL Weavers and HC Artisans, CS Limited Imphal, A. Ronika Devi, an officer in charge of National Handloom Development Corporation Limited Porompat, Y. Santi Kumar Singh attended the Expo closing event. The Handloom Expo was organized as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, celebrating 75 years of India's independence. Speaking at the program, National Awardee Uri Kimbam Baladevi said the soul named Safi Lanfi has backed National Award. She urged the state handloom weavers and artisans to work hard to enhance good handloom products.
November 16 the Kani, Hudikuti Kalimai, it's Santi Masu National Awardini, the Masu Indian Handloom Brand Hangi, Ani Hangi, the Smite of the Mayamsu, Indian Handloom Brand try to view, a what is to try to view in Manipur, Indian Handloom Brand fighting and the states of India, Manung the Manipur, so Mohanzi, Asi, Mayamsi had a
Now let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Hidak hapa, dressing tauba, blood sample loba, rice tube hapa, catheterization hapa, enema taubinaba, experience laidaba, nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi, wabiraganu Medlane Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna, kunkunmari chukna adom yumda latuna, hidak hapa, injection piba, dressing tauba, feeding tube hapa, catheter hapa amadi, makhal kya ke anawasing experience laidaba, doctor amadi nursing laktuna mating pangzari. Akupa marol gidamak Medellin gi helpline number 920-598-7988 amukasu 920-598-7988 ta call tawuna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store dagi Medellin app download tawuna booking tawi.
Welcome after the break. Fourth Foundation Day of Tampayay Cultural Academy Waheng Kumant was celebrated yesterday at Waheng Kumant Maninglaikai Nambol. Member of Laimapokpam Jila Parisat, Laimapokpam Jitin, Meitei President of Tampayay Cultural Academy Waheng Kumant, Laimapokpam Purnimasi, Laima Isok Gram Panchayat, Manipur Oinam Sanjoy were on the dais during the program. Students from different parts of Manipur presented assorted cultural programs such as folk drum, dance, and songs during the program. Certificates were given to all the participants. Speaking at the event, Laimapokpam Jiten said the world knows Manipur because of its rich art and culture, which also brings peace in the state. Hence, he said everyone should make effort to protect and promote art and culture of Manipur.
Anh ta xem na hai bada ai khoi ninga si mak khakta gi natana khoi na tung koi na ai khoi gi hawal lag liba khoi gi naharon sing sibu ai khoi na asigum loba kancharen ai khoi gi nat patai ba ai khoi gi asigum loba si ai khoi yukhat pada asigum ba hariba academy asina achoba dai to lobi gana hai ba si ai gi thajabani tungda ai khoi gi jaga irei kai sikka ki natana Atopa Manipur Lairiba, I call you Puruk Kuning Maki, ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯀꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠꯄꯨ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯕꯨ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯗ ꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ.
Committee of Civil Societies Kangleipak CCSK kick-started a 2-day-long entrepreneurs meet on the theme Growth of Entrepreneurship in Manipur, Problem and Prospect at Imahol, Lamphel on Friday. On the sideline of the event, CCSK President Jitendra Ningombam said the meet will discuss ways to protect the culture and meet the potential changes that will take place in Manipur because of Trans-Asian highways, Act East policy and arrival of train service. Beside, the meet will also deliberate on the future of the state economy, which will also help entrepreneurs. Director of ICM Kolkata, Dr. K.I. Mite, and Chairman of UNACO, Irabanta, were present at the first day of the meet. A one-day training cum awareness program on zero village cultivations of rapeseed and mustard in rice fellows was held on Friday at Bisnupur Mayay Lekay, Ward number 9. Proper training was given to the participants on mustard cultivation. The training was organized by All India Coordinated Research on Rapeseed Mustard CAU, and fall under NEH component AICRP RM scheme, ICAR Directorate of Rapeseed Mustard Research, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Dr. S. Jaina and Dr. Pusparani explained about the best time for mustard cultivation and use of pesticide. Nearly 50 farmers attended the training program. Sprayers, bee boxes, and pesticide were also distributed to the participants.
Makada MS component project haibase sigi makada koi hangam bari kun biza gi bane adu yam phajana tawbirame adu ja mayam gi mai mit oina ba farmer sigi mai mit oina ba gidama akoi ngasi training am sinja bane training je akoi gi hangam je manipur gi akoi gi low bu mayam je amaina sangna thamji ge namda da haibase matang da hangam tharaga phajana kamai tawji habi matang da koi biza bane duga akoi sida input mayam distribute tawjari ko project sigi makada akoi ne tawjari ba fertilizer seed adu ge bee box aduga koi sprayer mayam tawjadra mayam da koina interest haidi farmer interest create tawjaraga matam chahi da su hena mai ba oina ba gidana ko sinjer.
The 14th sports meet of Northern Liangmei Sports Association hosted by Chakha Village with kick-off on 11th of January 2022 turned out to be the best sports meet so far. In all, 20 male football teams and 10 male volleyball teams, 10 female football teams, and 18 female volleyball teams participated in the sports meets. The sports meet experienced a high level of competition in all the events. Besides, the tournament that covered 22 villages of Northern Liangmei drew the most viewers in its history till date. At the much celebrated tourney, Kauri Youth Club lifted the trophy of male football by defeating Nalong Youth Club in penalty shootout after a fierce battle of goalless contest. Dutnong Youth Club lifted the trophy of male volleyball by trouncing Kuilong Youth Club in the final match. Kadi Youth Organization defeated Kadi 3 Kasanglong in the final match of female football, and Kadi 3 Kasanglong outplayed Kadi Youth Organization in the final match of female volleyball. The closing ceremony was graced by K. Humaliabot, former ADC Chairman, Tamenglong as Chief Guest, Adi Riamay President, District Sports Association as Guest of Honor, and Kadilinbo SP Vice President, Nagaland Football Coaches Association as Special Guest. The dignitaries emphasized on the value of sports and the need to promote it to the highest level in the area, and also lauded the grand arrangement for the tournament. Before we wrap up, once again the top news headlines. Center blocks 35 Pakistan-based YouTube channels. Manipur celebrates 50th Statehood Day 2022. And migratory bird head count conducted in Infal. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.